Hey guys! So I recently discovered Marka, J's pet hair dryer stand, and oh my god, it's a game changer. Ever tried drying your dog's hair and ended up with tangled messes? Not anymore. Imagine this, my fur baby's hair was always taking forever to dry, but with this holder, super sturdy, just twist it onto the table and boom, hands-free convenience. It's made from top-notch ABS plastic and stainless steel, so it lasts. Perfect when Fluffy decides to shed all over my living room rug. Now drying time is quick and easy, without burning a hole in my pocket. Trust me, once you try it, there's no turning back. Click the link now and thank me later.